Hello and welcome to Roane State. My name is Lindy Wibking. I'm one of the Roane State librarians, and in this screencast, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the library website. To get to the library website, go to library.roanestate.edu. There at the top of the homepage, you'll see our hours posted for the current semester. Underneath the hours is the One Search tool, which is basically like the library catalog. So if you're searching for a print book or a movie on DVD, you'll need to search in OneSearch. But you can also use OneSearch to look in the library's electronic collections, aka databases, all at one time as well. If you need help using OneSearch, you can of course contact the library, or you can visit the OneSearch help page. If you want to do a little bit more targeted of a search, instead of using OneSearch, you can go to the library's list of databases. So if you click on this link, you'll see an alphabetized list of all the electronic collections the library subscribes to. And those collections contain things like peer-reviewed journal articles, ebooks, and streaming video. If you like to read, Overdrive is an app that you can download to your device. And then you can check out popular fiction and nonfiction in the form of ebooks and audiobooks. Kanopy is a collection of streaming video. You're welcome to watch the movies in Kanopy yourself, and you can also use them in your classes. Over here on the left is our menu. The Research Tools page has something we call the Research Toolkit. It's a set of 4 self-paced modules that your students can work through to give them a basic foundation of how the research process works. You can request materials by going to this page and then, for example, doing an interlibrary loan request. If there is a book or an article you want to read, but the Roane State Library doesn't have it, we can try to get it for you from another library. You can also suggest a purchase. If there's a book or another item that you think the library should have for all Roane State users to have access to. We can't guarantee that we'll be able to make all of those suggested purchases, but we do give priority to faculty requests. Finally, on the For Faculty page, you can request an embedded librarian. If you'd like to have a librarian added to any of your courses in Momentum, you just fill out and submit that form. And then if you'd like to have a librarian speak to your class, you can place a request for a library instruction session. If you have any questions or if there's anything else that the library can do for you, please get in touch. We look forward to working with you and your students.